Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix Outlook not opening problems on your PC or laptop. Let's begin. First, go to your Windows Start button or menu, click on it, and then type Run, click on it, and then over here, I want you to type this, percentage local app data, percentage, and then backslash Microsoft. Hit enter or click OK. It will open up a folder path. Scroll down and we need to look for OLK and OneDrive. Select both, right click and delete these two folders. All right. Once you have successfully deleted both folders, Outlook will ask you to relog in your credentials and accounts. And then once you're back, everything should now be fixed and working smoothly as ever. That's it. That's how you can get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.